Hare Krishna. I'm Sunita Sunil with you in 2 Minute Mahabharata stories. We are continuing with chapter 2, verse 16. Hope you're all enjoying my stories. Thank you for all the subscribers. Please continuously watch the morals and please do it in our day to day life and keep yourself happy. Let us continue to chant. नासतो विद्यते भावो नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः. Let us repeat. नासतो विद्यते भावो नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः. The meaning is, of the transient there is no endurance, and of the eternal there is no cessation. This has verily been observed and concluded by the seers of the truth, after studying the nature of both. According to Shvetashvatar Upanishad, there are three entities in it. In Veda mantras, it is stated as soul, God, and Maya. In the first one, God is everlasting, so called as Sat, that is, eternally existing. Hence, name for him in the Vedas is Sat Chit Ananda, that is, eternal with full of knowledge as ocean of bliss. In the second one, the soul is imperishable, therefore called as Sat. The body will cease, so it is temporary, that is Asat. The soul is also Sat Chit Ananda, but it is also Anu, that is tiny. Therefore, it is Anusat, Anuchit, and Anu Ananda. The third one is Maya, in which the world has been made as eternal or Sat. Anyhow, all material existence made will be destroyed with time. So it is Asat or temporary. Maya is Sat. When we tell world is Asat, not to be confused with Mithya, that is illusion, that is Asat or non-existence. It is ignorance within us. Once we are situated in Brahmajnana, that is knowledge of the Supreme, then the world will cease to exist. If this is true, then world no longer remain for God realized saints. The world should have stopped existing for them. In Vedic scriptures, it said, even saints feel hungry. In this verse, Sri Krishna explains that the world does exist, but it is fleeting. So, he calls Asat, that is temporary. Thank you. Keep watching this channel, and now you please listen to the same in Kannada. Hare Krishna. Good day to all of you.
ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ 2 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 16. ನಾಸತೋ ವಿದ್ಯತೆ ಭಾವೋ ನಾಭಾವೋ ವಿದ್ಯತೆ ಸತಃ ಉಭಯೋರಪಿ ದೃಷ್ಟೋऽन्तಃ ತ್ವನಯೋಸ್ತತ್ವದರ್ಶಿಭಿಃ. ಅರ್ಜುನ, ಅಸತ್ ವಸ್ತುವಿಗೆ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಡೆಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೂ ಸತ್ಯವೆಂಬುದಕ್ಕೆ ತ್ರಿಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಅಳಿವಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಭಾವವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅಳಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗದು. ಅರ್ಜುನನು ಕೇಳಿದನು, ದೇವರೆಂಬುದರಿಂದ ನೀನು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳುವೆಯೋ? ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಹೇಳಿದನು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಈ ಎರಡರ ಏರು ತಗ್ಗುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ತತ್ವದರ್ಶಿಗಳೂ ಕಂಡಿರುವರು. ಅಂದರೆ ತತ್ವದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರುವಿ ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಓರ್ವ ತತ್ವದರ್ಶಿಯಾದ ಮಹಾಪುರುಷ, ಪರಮತತ್ವ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನನ್ನು ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ದರ್ಶಿಸಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಯೂರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವವರೇ ತತ್ವದರ್ಶಿಗಳು. ಸತ್ ಅಸತ್ ಎಂಬುದೇನು? ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವನು.